Very interesting. I think your mom and dad knew what was in store, don't they?
Exactly.
Oh, gosh.
My mother predicted what was happening.
What? Wait, so getting this. Christmas is here, guys, and your space could use a bit of revamping for 2019, possibly. So instead of your regular schmegular paint job, why not try something new and exciting, some new techniques, some new aesthetics for your home. We've got Pink Skew Green here with us this morning. She's an interior decorator, artist, architecture, constructor, interior designer, and so many more things. Good to have you here on Smile.
Thank you for having me.
Started with the story of your name, which is very unique. Pink Skew, P-I-N-K-S-Q-U-E. And I said your parents must have had some kind of vision that you were going to be an artistic person.
Actually, my mother gave me the name. It's from the color pink, and pink is a color meaning hope. So she hopes that I will become like this.
Oh, okay. So you should hope, because when you hope, then things happen.
Yeah, had faith in my name.
Yeah. So you've been involved in art for a good while.
All my life.
My
mother was an artist. She was a student of Christopher Gonzalez, so I grew up around artists and always been artistic. And
this is in your blood, lady.
It's in my blood.
In your bloodstream.
And I've always had good mentors like Robert McGill from high school. And
your work has been showcased in some very important places.
Yes, they have.
Can you talk to me? We're looking at some pictures. One was behind the Prime Minister a while ago.
Yes.
Where was that? Is that OPM?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It was there from Portia Simpson.
Ah.
It was in the office at the time.
Simpson Miller was there.
Yes.
You have work showcased at airports.
That's Janice Silvera's bedroom in Montego Bay. That's her accent wall.
Okay.
That's her house, the entire townhouse for Janet.
Oh, nice.
That's Janet's living room.
Okay. What's your aesthetic?
That is Tad's record store that was Sangster's Montego Bay. Right. It's the whole theme is like a ghetto, bringing the ghetto inside of the airport. That's the only store that was there without any ceiling. I do crazy ceilings.
So your aesthetic is off the wall, out of the box.
Off the wall, crazy. I think outside. You can't think inside the box. This is the Havana store. That store had a metal ceiling, and I rusted the ceiling a little bit. And that's Juliet again with the painting.
Okay.
She said she loved the painting anyway.
It's lovely. So talk to me a little bit about what we actually have on set today, because we're not talking paintings, we're talking textures, and faux textures at that. It's about what you can do with illusion to create depth, texture, feel on walls?
On walls or any surfaces.
Any surface?
Any surfaces.
Okay.
Because I design furniture also, custom build furniture for people, out of metal or wood. Depends
Are you serious?
I'm serious. I have the workshop that does everything.
My word.
Basically, these are textures.
Yes. All right,
your samples, what I can do on a wall or your office space or your bedroom. Accent walls don't have to be this boring one color. You can have different textures. This is done using a dry brush technique with a sponge over it. This is called the Venetian plaster. You add color to the plaster itself and apply it in different tones and textures to the wall, and you can put a motif over this.
All right, hold on, Pink Skew. You have to work with us because we're working with the cameraman. So that's the one you were just talking about a while ago.
Yes, this one here.
And you see examples in this general area of the set. Where I really want to go is what's happening on the left-hand side over there by the faux wall. Because I actually thought that was stone.
No,
but it's not stone, miss?
No, it's not stone. It's actually compositions of foam, cementous material, and gypsum.
Wow.
And then you paint it, and it can be applied to a drywall, any surface at all, and then you put a varnish on it to kind of keep everything together. I kind of experiment on things in my kitchen. And see what materials can work, what materials cannot work.
That's incredible. And that looks like a living wall.
Thank you.
But I guess
it can be brick, it can be anything you desire. It can be wood, anything like that. You know,
or it can be made to look like anything you want it to look like.
Exactly. It can even be a person.
Yeah. So if you're looking for Christmas to kind of upgrade and you're thinking along these lines, where do we find Pink Skew Green?
I'm on Facebook.
Decorator. Where
I'm on Facebook. My name is the only name in the world like this. You can't miss it. All right. So once you put you search for me, Pink Skew, P-I-N-K-S-Q. My face comes up, my work comes up, I am there.
Okay, and we can find you. Wow, your work is beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for stopping in this morning, and keep using your talents the way your parents had envisioned and the way you have been doing it for all, as you say, all your life. Appreciate you having been here with us this morning. Pink Skew Green, folks, here with us and her wonderful work. We're going to pour out the wine tips on the other side of the break, which complements great art, great wine, perfect pairing. We'll be right back.
All right, thank you.
Fun.